Murder, got me screaming murder. Murder, cause you're killing me. Big boy, you could be my lover. Show you things that you never heard of, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, my makeup is already done, so all I need to do is just to install my wig to complete this whole look today. So today's wig is from a company called RoyalMe. This is actually my first time working with RoyalMe, so I'm a bit excited to try their wig because so far, like, the wig looks really good. The wig comes pre-plucked and it comes pre-bleached as well. So this is the 13x6 T-part lace front wig. You guys can see the T-part construction because it comes with a middle parting, so there's a bit of lace in the middle, and then obviously the T is like at the front here. So this is what the construction looks like. It comes with an elastic band inside with the logo and it's saying RoyalMe. It comes with 3 combs inside, and some adjustable straps as well. This wig is making too much sense and I've not even glued it down yet, okay? It is making, if you know me, you know I love a middle parting straight wig, and baby girl, this is a wig. This is a wig, okay? Okay, let me come in a bit closer so you guys can see what the hairline looks like. Okay, so as you guys can see, I've cut off the excess lace. So I'm gonna start off by using my contour powder to get the lace to match my skin tone. You guys can see it definitely matches my skin tone a lot better now. I'm also going to apply that same powder on top of the lace like this. This is just really going to help to get that lace to melt and to obviously blend into your skin tone as well. So today I'm going to be using my olive oil holding spray. I actually prefer this to Got To Be spray just because I feel like it gets the job done and it's not as harsh as Got To Be spray, because Got To Be kind of it pulls your hair but this one doesn't. So now you guys can see how this lace is literally just melting into my skin. Okay, so guys, I'm now done installing this wig, and honestly guys, the lace that comes with this wig is everything. Like, and I'm not sure if this is the HD lace, but guys, this lace is everything because it was so easy to install. Like, it was literally just melting. It's skin like, basically. Like, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna tie down my elastic band just so I can get it to melt in a bit more, and then whilst I'm doing that, I'll just go ahead and style my hair.
Your body say, hey, whoa, whoa. Come over here. Come and ginger me, yes. Oh yeah, heat it up for me, yes. Cause I know you got the recipe, yeah. Nobody gonna do the things that you do. Come and take this ride. Be my chauffeur. Be my chauffeur. You know today we will talk too much. Actions speak louder than words.
I'm now done curling this hair. I'm gonna take off my elastic band just so I can see what the lace is saying. I don't think there's any better feeling than when you take off that elastic band. Oh my god, listen. But guys, can we just take this in? Like, you guys can see how flat and how laid this wig is as well. Like, come on. Okay, so guys, I'm now done installing this wig and this is what we're working with. Like, guys, I'm so impressed with this wig. Like, this is my first time working with them and I'm just so happy with the lace, happy with the hair quality. The hair is so silky. It literally took me about like 2 minutes to run my straighteners through the hair real quick just to get it bone straight like this. If you like this wig on me, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. I'm sweating so much, like my lights are making me so hot, but if you guys like this wig on me, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. The only thing about this T frontal or T part, I don't know, the only thing about this T part frontal is that you can only have your hair as a middle part in. You can't really wear it as a side part in. That's the only thing. But I'm happy with this because I always wear my hair as a middle part in all the time anyway. Well, most of the time anyway. So this is good for me. And obviously because the hair is 150 density, it's giving me like literally natural vibes. Like, it literally feels like I relaxed my hair. This literally feels like my natural hair but relaxed. That's how silky this hair is as well, like, honestly speaking. So I'm just gonna try and add some curls to the hair and see if the hair would hold curls. So let's see. This is my first time working with this company. I don't know why I've never heard of them. RoyalMe. Their hair is really nice. Like, it's so silky, so soft, and their straight hair is literally curling so beautifully. Like, honestly, I'm just adding some loose curls to the tips. Like, I'm not trying to have my hair super curly. Guys, I just love how silky this hair is, man. It's so silky. Okay, because it's straight hair, I can already tell that if I was to curl this hair properly, it might not hold curls for that long. But listen, I just really like this hair. I really like this wig. I really like this wig, honestly speaking. I really like it. Like I said, guys, this wig is from RoyalMe. It is my first time working with them, and I'm happy. Like, I'm so impressed with their wig and the lace that comes with the wig as well. So I'm going to make sure to leave all the links and details that you guys need to know down below. So please make sure you check the description box for anything you would like to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.